At the beginning, the park stood as a forgotten place, silent and worn by time. Rusted playground equipment, broken benches, cracked paths, and scattered trash told the story of years of neglect. Nature had slowly taken control, with weeds growing through the concrete and the central fountain standing dry and lifeless. The park, once filled with laughter and movement, had become a symbol of abandonment and lost hope. Then, the transformation began. Workers arrived with tools, determination, and a shared vision. The damaged paths were repaired, the trash was removed, and the overgrown vegetation was carefully trimmed. New plants and colorful flowers were planted across the park, bringing life back to the ground. The fountain was restored, water flowing once again at the center, reflecting the sky and surrounding trees. As the work progressed, the atmosphere changed completely. The park slowly regained its identity as a place of community, beauty, and peace. By the end of the project, the abandoned space had become a vibrant and welcoming park, full of color, order, and harmony. What was once forgotten was now reborn, proving that care, effort, and unity can transform even the most neglected